When I clean my cartridge filters, I always do a stage of the cleaning where I treat the filters with an extra cleaner. This is just a random cleaner. It's $1 for a bottle of this. And you can get all-purpose cleaner. Something with bleach is typically what I use because I want to kill any microbes that are in these filters. So what I do is immediately I pour this into this, because this bottle right here will eat your lunch. The feeding tube from the bottle up into the spray head is real tiny, and you just crank and crank and crank, go a million times to get as much out as this professional quality spray bottle here. So this one really moves the material. So what I do is I go around the filter. Now if I had both hands free, you could see me moving it. I get these dark spots. I've already gone over this filter once and gotten the heavy stuff off. Inside this cartridge filter, I go all the way around here too and get it down in the inside. Now, I'll do it like I just showed you, where I'll start with this part down and then get these spots here, and you can see how it's kind of loosening up this dirt. It doesn't really matter, I suppose, but I like doing it like this. If you did it the other way, then I think this would tend to run out a little faster. So I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this around, just kind of spray it, make sure that there's a little bit under each band sort of thing. Now I'm going to spray the outside of this and let this stuff inside sort of dribble down a little bit, because I can't get the sprayer all the way in now, can I? So I'm going to let this kind of drizzle down a little bit, and then the water from the outside will help move that material down and help really give this filter a good cleaning. It's going to really help. So I'm going to rinse this off really good, but I won't put this cleaner back on anymore. I'm going to be done with it for this particular filter. And it really just helps clean. Also, I use 2 sets of filters, so when this is done, I'm going to set it out and it's going to dry for a couple weeks before I cover them up real good in plastic bags. They have to be perfectly dry. So I want these to be as clean as possible, and then in a couple months when I do it again, I'll pull these out and replace them. So anyway, just use a good cleaner. There you go. And a good bottle, so you don't spend a lot of time doing this. It's worth it, and your filters will be cleaner for sure.